Hello everybody! Today I will present you Kahoot.com. First thing what you have to do, you have to sign up. And then you can just use Kahoot how you want, as a teacher, as a student, socially or at work. Then you can sign up with Google, Microsoft or your own email address. When you have created your account, you just go back to the home page and then you have to click on Login. Now you have all the possibility to create your own quiz or to choose one of more than 30 million Kahoot questions that are already finished. What can the learning outcomes be? The learning outcome of Kahoot is to study the learning material through quizzes and by creating Kahoots independently and developing new topics. What is the impact of the tool? The impact of Kahoot in VET didactics is to motivate young learners through gamification.